I've been thinking a lot about what it really means to become her. We see people talk about that girl, that one who has her life together, the soft life, the clean space, the glow. But truth is, becoming her isn't just about what you see on the inside. It starts from within, the mindset, the small habits, the daily decisions that no one claps for. Today, I just decided to reset. My space was all over the place, clothes everywhere, things not where they are supposed to be. So I just took some time to fold, clean, and put things back in order. And while doing that, I realized something. Sometimes organizing your space is another way of organizing your mind because you can't truly feel peaceful when your environment is loud and cluttered. And sometimes that's exactly how life feels too, loud, messy, all over the place. So I guess in a way, this wasn't just cleaning, it was me taking back control, me telling myself, okay, breathe, let's start small, let's put one thing back in place. And you know what's funny? I didn't even finish everything. I didn't record the ending. And at first, I felt like maybe I should have. But then I thought about it and smiled because becoming hair doesn't always have a perfect finish. It doesn't have to be the camera ready or aesthetics all the time. Some of the most beautiful parts of becoming hair happen off camera, like those quiet moments when you just sit there, tired but proud, when you finally see your floor again after folding your clothes, when you pause the music and just breathe. That's part of the journey too. Becoming here is not about perfection, it's about progress, even when no one sees it. It's about learning to give yourself grace, to understand that growth can be messy, that healing takes time, that sometimes just starting is enough. And honestly, I've learned that becoming here is not a destination, it's a process, a daily one. It's how you talk to yourself when things don't go as planned. It's how you keep showing up even when you don't feel like it. It's how you choose peace over pressure, faith over fear, and consistency over comfort. So, yeah, maybe I didn't finish showing you how my space ended up, but that's okay because the real transformation is happening inside. I'm still rearranging not just my clothes but my mindset. I'm still learning to let go of things that no longer serve me. The overthinking, the self doubt, the what ifs. Becoming here means learning to trust yourself more, to trust God's timing, to believe that even if you are not where you want to be yet, you are still becoming. So, right now, I'm embracing the process. I'm folding my clothes, cleaning my space, and choosing peace. one small step at a time. It's about being present. And even though I didn't show you the final look, I promise the glow up is happening inside and out, because the real hair is already here. She's just unfolding.